Hello children, nice to meet you again. Today we are going to see the what we say second part, 7th standard Samachir, the modification of stem. Before going to the modification of the stem, can you guess potato, onion bulb and ginger? What are these? Yes, these are nothing but we can conclude as a what we say stem part. This stem part which modify and store the food and also is a helps in vegetative propagation. What is mean by vegetative propagation? Udal inaperukam. This is helps for the other than the what means is a seed, other than the what means a reproductive part. If it is reproduction is carried out mean that type is known as vegetative propagation. Udal inaperukam. Right. Now the stems are there are three types: aerial stem, subaerial or underground stems. Among this aerial modification, some of the stems which are found just above the soil. Now we have to take the what means is a pillow clad. What is mean by pillow clad? Cactus plant. In cactus plant, the leaf is actually is the leaf. In this case, this part is a stem part. That is a spine. This part is called leaves. This is a stem, succulent stem. In case of the cactus, in a desert living plants. Now that is a conserving water is very challenging. If it is the surface of the area is a very large, that is a more chances of the what means a evaporation of the water. If it is the area is a very limited, to conserve the what means a water, to conserve the water and restore the water. In case in a cactus plant, this entire green plushy structure is called a stem part. This stem part to store the what means is a more water as a succulent. Now the stem is do the what means a photosynthesis. The stem is green in color, modified to store the food in a stem region. This we call the word is pillow clad. The leaf function is done by the stem. In case of cactus, we call the word is pillow clad. Ilai thozhil thandu. Ilayoda வேலையே stem பண்றது. அதுக்கு பேர் இலை தொழில் தண்டு. In technical word pillow clad. The spine, this is nothing but is a leaves are modified into very small minute structure is called spine, which prevent the what means evaporation, This is. Now we go for the what means next part, subaerial modification. In case of the what means some of the plants remain just above the what means is a subaerial, which grow horizontally to the surface of the what means a ground, surface of the soil. The main purpose is reproduction purpose. Main purpose is reproduction. In case of the subaerial modification, there are 4 types. Now we have to take the what means one of the runner. First one is called runner. In this case, the stem is grow just above the what means soil surface. Very weak stem is grow above the what means soil surface. If it is breaks up, each bits to develop the what means roots, each bit to develop the what means gives rise to what means root. In this type, this is we call the word is runner, vodudal. Example, centella, otherwise we call the word is vallari kirai. Now we go for the what we say next part. Now stolon. This is a second subaerial stem. It is a slender branch of the what we say stem, always to found on the what we say at grow up to certain distance. The plant body is a buried. The plant body is a bended into the what means a soil, bended into the soil. While the upon touching the what means a ground, this part is a touching on the ground, which gives rise to the what means a new plant. This is a slender branch that is a grow just above the soil. That branch is a bended to the what means a touches with the soil, which gives rise to new plant is developed. This is we call the word is stolen. Example, strawberry. That is a wild strawberry. Now we go for the what means a next part, third one. Now sucker. The sucker is a short and weak lateral branch. That branch is a grow diagonally upwards to the what means a soil. Directly, this part is a directly which gives rise to the what means a new plant. This part is a which gives rise to the new plant, new shoot. Example, chrysanthemum, samandi poo. That is a circle. Next we go for the what means a next part. This is a offset. This offset is a seen in Eichhornia. This is a Eichhornia plant. In this case, a very short, a thick branch. That branches are arise from the axial part of the leaf. Now it as a what means a thick internodes. Are present. It produces the what mean a tough top leaf, tough top leaves above, and below it has a what means cluster of roots. Small roots are arising and below. That is a example for Eichhornia. Eichhornia is a example for offset. The next we go for the what means a next part, underground stem, underground modification. Usually in most of the plants the stem is grow just above the ground. In some cases of the plants the stem is found below the soil, which grow underground and store the what means a food material. This underground stems are always is a swell and thick and store the food material. There are four types of what mean underground stems. In case of the what means a first one rhizome, second culm, third one tuber, and fourth one bulb. Now we have to see the what means is a first one rhizome. If it is we have to take the what means a turmeric and ginger. It has a what means a thick stem which are always to grow the what means a, it has a node and the internodes are present. The scale leaves are arise at the node region. Too many branches are growing into the what means horizontally. It grows to the what means horizontally. It grow horizontally. It has a irregular in shape. It gives rise to what mean this buds or gives rise to new stem and new leaves. While if it is seen in case of the turmeric, manjal, and ginger, inji. Now we go for the what means a second one culm. It is one of the what means underground stem. If it is a round in shape, if it is see the what means a round, they are shows the what means a round in shape. The top and that is a top and bottom will be a flat in nature. Top and bottom is a flat in nature. It is a condensed form. It is a very short. A condensed form of the what means is a rhizome. It bears one or more buds are there in the axil of the leaves, scale leaves. The daughter plants are arising from the buds. Example, we see the what means a colocasia, chanakadangu. Now we go for the what means a tuber. Tuber is nothing but is a small, a spherical, a structure which are it has a what means many small, that is a dormant. Dormant means inactive small buds are found on the outer surface of the, this is we have to see this, a small outer bud like structure, bud like, this is a dormant bud. These buds are called the word is eyes. If the eyes, if you have to take the what means one small part of the plant, with a tuber with what means a bud which grow into the where means is a soil. This is a to produce the what means a new plant, to produce the new plant. Now the potato is a store the what means a stores food material in the stem region. Now example is a potato, that is a tuber. Tuber is a example potato. Now we go for the what means next part, the bulb. Now we have to take the what means a onion. Now that is a, if you have to see the what means is a onion, it has a what means a one small a thick a disc like a disc condensed stem. This is we call the what is condensed stem. Now that is a above the stem it has a what means a leaves, that is called as a fleshy leaves. These fleshy leaves are stored the what means a food material. Now the bulb it has a what means a two types of the what means a leaves are there, fleshy leaves and scaly leaves. A fleshy leaves interiorly, inner side it has a what means is a fleshy which are store the what means a more food material, while in the tip of the what means is a stem it a terminal bud is there to covered with what means a one structure, that is called a dry structure. As we call the what is scaly leaves. Scaly leaves are covered on the what means outermost covering. If it is removed, the inner surface it has a what means a fleshy leaves, that fleshy leaves are store the food material, The bulb example we have to see the what means a onion and garlic. Now we go for the what means a next part, modification of the leaf. Some of the plants, the leaves are modified to do the what means a several function, and also is a helpful for the what means a main thing. These plant are leaves are modified, changed themselves to adopt the environment and grow, and one of them is modification of the leaves is, that is a leaves are several plants to get modified to different based on the what means a purpose, based on the what means a environment, based on the purpose and environment they can modify and changing their structure, and it helps for the what means reproduction in function. While if it is we take the what means a opensia plant, that is a opensia, this part, this is nothing but is a green color structure we call the what is stem. A succulent fleshy structures, that is we call the what is stem. Above it has a what means this is we call the what is spine, this nothing but we call the what is leaves are modified into a small spine structure. The stem is to do the what means a photosynthesis in function. This is we call the what is pillow clade. We learned the what means a pillow clade. This is a the leaf function is done by the stem. In case of opensia we call the what is pillow clade. We call the what is pillow clade. Ilai tholil thandu. This is a spines is nothing but is a leaves are modified into the what means spine to prevent the transpiration. Next we go for the what means a second thing, tendril. In most of the climber plant, the leaf are modified to changing into the what means a very long a coiled structure. That coiled structure which helps to climb the plant on the what means is some structure which are climbing on the what means efficiently to climbing the what means a plant, that we call it as a what means tendril. Now in case of the what means one of the plant, that is a Gloriosa superba. In this plant the leaf tips are modified to changing into the what means a tendril. Leaf tips are modified into what means a tendril which helps to climb the plant, This is we call the what is tendril. Now in case of the what means a pea plant, patani chedi, Pisum sativum, the leaflet, small leaflets are modified into what means a spine. This is not calling as a spine, we have to telling tendril. This tendril which helps to climb the what means a plant. The tendrils are helps to attached on the surface to climbing the what means a plant. That is a leaflet are modified into tendril in case of a pea plant. Now we have to go for the what means a pillowed. What is mean by pillowed? Pillowed mean in case of the what means acacia auriculiformis. The petiole, the leaf petioles are elongated and modified and changing as a what means a leaf-like structure. Leaf-like structure. These leaf-like structures are can do the what function? Photosynthesis in function. Photosynthesis in function. That we call it as pillode. That is a leaf-like structures which are modified to do the what means a photosynthesis in case of the Acacia auriculiformis. This is we call it as pillode. We call the word is pillode. Pilloclode is different from pillode. Pilloclode is different from pillode. That is a leaf-like structure. Petiole is a modified to store the what means is a food material. That is called to do the what means a photosynthesis. Next we go for in some cases of the plants which are live in a nitrogen deficient soil. That name of the plant is called insect eating plants, insectivorous plant. Example Nepenthes, Venus flytrap. That is some of the plants is there. Now this is one of the Nepenthes plant which are live in nitrogen deficient soil. If you want to grow, that is a nitrogen is very essential for the what means is a growth of the plant. That plants to take the nitrogen from the digesting the insect, that is digesting the insect. Now the leaf is modified to form a one flask like structure. This is called a flask like structure. This flask like structure mainly if the any small insects are comes, if it is any small insects comes, now that is a mainly if the insect are fell down. If it is a fell down, the what means any small insects, the small insects are enters the wall of the what means a pitcher. This is we call the word is pitcher. Pitcher. The wall of the pitcher to secrete a what means some digestive enzyme which helps to digest the insect. That we call the word is mainly from the digestion of the insect to extract the what means a nitrogen for growth of this plant. That is called a Nepenthes. Now Nepenthes are trapped the what means a insect. That plants are known as insect eating plants. Puchi unnam tavaram. From this plant are take the nitrogen from digesting the what means a digesting the insect and get the what means is a nitrogen strength for the growth of the plant. This is called a pitcher plant, Kuduvai tavaram. Okay. Now mainly, so from this lesson we have to learn the what mean some of the structures are modified. That is called a aerial stem. Aerial, that is called leaves are modified to changing to adapting their and carry out the what means a function as well as the what means a reproduction in function. That is a modification of the what means a leaf, stem and leaves. And roots already we learned in first part. Right. Thank you children.